Welcome to our agriculture case study on business transformation around technology. This is part one of our 11-part series on an industry sector case study for transformation around technology. Here we introduce this series and provide some background. The case study of transformation around technology is for agriculture. We use agriculture because agriculture is a critical, enabling, underlying industry. 1 billion people worldwide work in agriculture, generating around 2.4 trillion for the global economy. Agriculture is worth nearly 120 billion in the USA alone, with red meat in Australia being about a $1.5 billion industry, excluding the logistical distribution and supplies and services related. Agriculture is one of the leading industries in the adoption and adaptation to technology, with everything from satellites for tracking animals and land use management to RFID tag use, to automated harvesters, automated milking, as well as robots planting, managing and harvesting produce. Production processing is often managed by robots. The intensive food production factory warehouse operations are some of the leaders in the use of the Internet of Things for environmental management, in robotic operations, in using automated logistics, underpinned with data analytics and artificial intelligence. This series covers illustrative examples addressing some of the many aspects rather than addressing specific technologies and exact implementations. There is a focus on how transformations occur, with much of the success coming from being behind the scenes activities. We encourage you to pause, read the screens, and download the images from the comments. We introduce a case study on technology transformation in business. This is done as a follow-up to our various series on the adoption of technology and its business impacts. The links are in the summary below. Summary aspects of transformation have been included, and industry-specific examples like insurance, legal, and education have been provided, but feedback has asked for a more detailed example with a wider illustrative use. Use agriculture as this example. Agriculture is used because of the critical role it plays in society and the extent of technology innovation seen within. The wider illustrative aspects to other industries are included. An episodic approach to the series is taken, with 11 sessions included, but all are of shorter duration, being typically around 10 minutes per session. A session can be used in isolation or in the context of the wider series. Details are also in the summary below. This series tries to remain generic across agriculture, whether it is food or fiber or other uses like oils. Horticulture and aquaculture may be referenced, and while some of the illustrated principles are applicable, they are not the specific focus. Agriculture also implies the end-to-end industry covering related and allied industries, because it is the integration and automation end-to-end where efficiencies can be realized. Though important to the world, and it is the transformation of subsistence agriculture that wealth is generated and lives are changed, subsistence agriculture is not the focus of the series. The last part of the context for the series is the drivers on a business of costs, customers, markets, and regulatory, which all impact. For aspects of agriculture and other businesses, changes in the environment like floods and drought have a direct impact, as well as through markets. Incumbency and vested interest also impact a business directly or through other factors like costs or markets. Technology changes tend to manifest through these other drivers. While agriculture may be seen as a less glamorous and behind the scenes industry, it is critical to the operation of the global economy. Likewise, many of the themes raised in this series are behind the scenes, but are critical to successful transformation around technology. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe, add your comments, and share with others.